Hi everybody, today we are in San Diego, California at 3435 Camino del Rio South, and we have an elevator. Here it is. I think I know what this is. No, I don't. Elevator electric. This thing is pretty fast. It's an elevator electric. I was gonna guess US square. Got a fan. Whoops. Here's the conveyance number. We gotta go up for one more ride. Door closed when I press the button. Let's look at the call button. So that's what it's supposed to look like. Cool buttons. Yeah, press the foyer on, and it pretty much acts like a door close button. Right, there it goes, and that'll be it. Eventually.